Good gamer tags for Xbox One 2019. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Hemi Jarvis, and in today's video, we're going to go over some gamer tags that are available, ones that you can use right now, gamer tags that no one else on the planet have. All right, because I know you guys be having a hard time finding gamer tags, and some of you guys just want to know some cool gamer tags. So I'm gonna give y'all some suggestions that, you know, I would, if I was creating a new Xbox One account, what kind of gamer tags I would use. And also, we just going to see what gamer tags are pretty good, like which ones are available that you can use right now. So if you got an Xbox and you're looking for a good gamer tag, this is the video for you. All right, now I be playing Minecraft. I play games like Fortnite. I play Grand Theft Auto 5. The list goes on and on. I can go all day about the games I play, but those are the top 3 that I have been playing lately. And also 2K20 is another one. You know, I play all the basketball games, NBA 2K19, 2K20, and above and beyond. But anyway, we want gamer tags, guys. That's what you're here for. That's what I'm going to show you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna waste too much time in this video. I'm gonna give y'all a few gamer tags in this video. And who knows, every week I might just bring y'all a video showing you guys more gamer tags, more suggestions that I can give you to help you choose a better gamer tag for your Xbox avatar. All right, and stuff like that. But anyway, let's go straight over here to my profile real quick. And if you're trying to change your gamer tag, by the way, just do what I do right here in this video right here. So you go to my profile, whatever, and you go to, you click on your profile, my profile. And once you click on my profile, you should get to this page where you have your gamer tag name and some more stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to where it says customize profile. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to click on my gamer tag. And now let's look at some gamer tags. As you can see here, all of the gamer tags that are being showed right now, to me, they're good gamer tags for Xbox One. All of them are pretty good. You know why? Because they all are available right now. Like if you don't have a gamer tag, you could literally use any one of these tags that I'm showing you here, and they are going to be available. Okay, but so like I said, let's see some good ones. I'm gonna give y'all some suggestions of gamer tags that I like, and we'll see if they are available. So let me hit X here. So if you're a Grand Theft Auto player, you know it's a lot of shooting going on, a lot of that stuff. So for instance, like my gamer tag is Hemi Jarvis, you know, because I be playing Grand Theft Auto a lot, right? So I wanted to give off the impression of I be in a fast car, and you know I drive fast, and so cars that drive fast, they most likely have Hemi in it. So I chose the gamer tag Hemi Jarvis because it sounds good to me. You know what I'm saying? So you guys could play me on Xbox sometimes. It doesn't matter. Be sure to subscribe to the channel though. Get a video a thumbs up. But anyway, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so I chose Hemi Jarvis because I was a Grand Theft Auto player, and I wanted the name to sound smooth when people would see my car and see me driving past on Grand Theft Auto, and they Hemi Jarvis. So that's where that name come from. But let's see if I can't choose you guys a name, because I came up with that name on my own. So I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some names. So we got Hemi Jarvis. We got I'm gonna try this one. These are good gamer tags that I'm coming up with personally, and you guys can have them if they're available. Go ahead and take them. That's why I make these videos for. I love to help my gamers. I love to give you guys as much valuable information as possible. So let's see here. We're gonna choose. I got a gamer tag for you. See if you like it or not. It's called Go. Right. This will look good on GTA. Go. you could put like go and then put like your name like on the side of go. So it'd be like if your name is John, put like go John or go Jimmy or go Jake, go Drake, go. Uh, if you leave it up to me, I wouldn't put like a name of a actual video game in my gamer tag. I always like put like a catchphrase in my gamer tag, and then I will probably put my real name. So it'll be something like, so if my name is Jarvis, right, I will put just Jarvis or Jiggy Jarvis or Fast Jarvis, or that's what I would do. But at the same time, that's why I'm giving you guys these gamer tags here. Let's see if they're available. So let's type in go Jack, right? See, go Jack means that you go. That's why I think that is such a good gamer tag, because okay, that's go Jack. He's going. We know. Anytime we playing on live with him, he's going to go. You know what I'm saying? Go Jack. To me, that sounds like a good gamer tag. Go Jack. And let's see if it's available. So I hit start. Boom. Now you could put go. Let's see. Choose your gamer tag. That name isn't available. So that name isn't available. But as you can see, they gave you a list of names underneath that. And Boss Go Jack is available. That Go Jack is available. Nice Go Jack is available. Let me show y'all the names that I'm reading. So this is available. All of these are available, guys, if y'all want to use that as a gamer tag. All right, let's read them off. Bit Go Jack. You know what I'm saying? Cause you playing Grand Theft Auto, and the word Jack relates to like stealing a vehicle or something. Now it's supposed to be JACK, but I just put JAK because it's still the same thing. Like it's just, it's being unique. When you make gamer tags, you want to be unique. So, go Jack. You know what I'm saying? So in Grand Theft Auto, this would be a good name for a Grand Theft Auto player, because you going to jack someone. You know what I'm saying? On Grand Theft Auto, it's go Jack. Go Jack that person. So to me, that's a good name to use for Grand Theft Auto if I had to choose. All right, so here are some available names. If you guys want those, you can have them. Let me see what other names we can come up with. Why did I hit that? Hold on. Let's see what other names I can come up with. So I use go Jack, right? All right, so now I'm going to use, if you're playing Fortnite, and you guys want a good gamer tag for Fortnite because you're a Fortnite player, I would recommend something like let's see. I would recommend something like this. And you can have this name too if it's available. All right. Big. I'm trying to see big. I would recommend something like Big Gun. Big Gun Sniper. You know what I'm saying? Big Gun Sniper. If it's available. Oh, let's see if it's available. I can't hit the space bar, but you would put space bars. You know what I'm saying? So Big Gun Sniper. Let's see if we got it. Boom. Big Gun Sniper. Dang, what? I keep hitting B. Sorry about that, guys. Dang. Let me choose a different name. But Big Gun Sniper is one that I would use if I was making a gamer tag and I was a Fortnite player and I wanted to do like Fortnite videos. I would do like Big Gun Sniper because it's dealing with guns. Fortnite is a game where you get a lot of kills and stuff like that. So I would say, I would even relate gamer tags to different movies. Like you got It the Clown, right? With Pennywise and all of them. And in the movie It, It Chapter 2 came out not too long ago. So you would do something like, just to mess with people, to troll people on Xbox, you would do something like Pennywise and they'd be like, "Oh, well, I'm playing with Pennywise," but really, Pennywise really is you. You can keep this name too, by the way, Pennywise. But you're not gonna take Pennywise's name. As a matter of fact, let's see if Pennywise's name is taken already, because I might just use his name myself. Yeah, that name isn't available, of course. But as you can see, they got Artie Pennywise. You see what I'm saying? All these names right here are available right now. You can, and these names don't have numbers. Any name that doesn't have a number to me is a good name for Xbox One gamer tag. You know what I'm saying? It's a good name for even the PlayStation 4 gamer tag or whatever gamer tag. The numbers are cool to have sometimes, but I personally recommend names that don't have numbers on them. Something like this. Sane Pennywise. Because the movie Pennywise, he's insane. So this would be Sane Pennywise. To me, that's a great name to use as a gamer tag. And that can go well on any video game, whether it's Grand Theft Auto, whether it's Minecraft, whether you're playing Fortnite. To me, that is a good gamer tag to use. So somebody invited me. It's cool. All right. So Ice Pennywise. Look at that. Ice Pennywise. You know what I'm saying? Ice Pennywise. Now, ice can be a term used for a lot of things. When you bust a cap in someone, that's called ice. You just ice the person. So Ice Pennywise, that's a good one if you want to be like the clown and stuff like that. Like if you want to play a game and say you playing Grand Theft Auto, right? Ice Pennywise. Imagine Ice Pennywise drives past you. Like Pennywise. If you're on Grand Theft Auto online, right, and somebody with the name Ice Pennywise drive past you, it's a catchy name. You're gonna say, okay, that's automatically gonna get my attention. I'll probably start chasing you on Grand Theft Auto just because Pennywise is in your name. You see what I'm saying? So to me, that's a great name to use. Then we got Side Pennywise. That's another good one to use. You know what I'm saying? Well, Side Pennywise. I'm not really feeling Side Pennywise. Side Pennywise is not really my cup of tea, but yeah, so I wouldn't use that one. But you can check availability, but check it out. Pennywise, you can't use Pennywise, but you can use the other ones that I named, which was Ice Pennywise and stuff like that. So let's try let's see who I want to try. Let's try Batman just to see what comes up for Batman. See, because a lot of you guys hold on. Like Batman is something I would put into a gamer tag because hold on. It just sounds good. They can call me Batman, but hold on, let me show you. Hold on. So Batman, right? It just sounds like it'll be something catchy to put inside of a video game gamer tag, Of course, we know we're not talking about the actual Batman. They could be calling me Batman as of, the gamer. You know what I'm saying? So, lanky Batman, if you're a skinny person, and, you wear all black all the time, lanky Batman will work. In stealth mode. And stuff like that. But anyway, guys, all of these names are available. I hope that you use these names. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get up off of here because I got stuff to do right now. But yeah, so anyway, guys, these names are all work. I hope these are some good gamer tags for Xbox One, 2019. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm going to upload another video pretty soon. But yeah, these are all some good gamer tags. I got more ideas for y'all, man. I just can't keep this video long. I hear people at the door. I just got to go, I guess. So, but yeah, let me try one more, though. I might give y'all one more before I leave. Because I'm going to do something unique. You know what I'm saying? You want something unique. So, Let's say Moon Knight. All right. This is another one for y'all. These are gamer tags that you can use, guys. If they're available, go ahead and take them. I already chose my gamer tag. It's Hemi Jarvis, but these are ones that you guys can use. So Moon Knight, that name is taken, but they have odd Moon Knight, hot Moon Knight. Again, I don't personally recommend the ones with the numbers and stuff on them, but I really don't like none of these that I'm looking at right now. But I mean, if you like them, go ahead, feel free to use them. But I don't think they good names in my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna come back on this video soon, man. Part 2 is going to be in the description. Be sure to check that out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and rock with your boy. That's a great way to support my channel. And all it takes is a thumb, and just all you doing is hitting like, bam. It's not that hard. I know you're on your mobile phone probably watching this, so go ahead and give it a thumb up, and subscribe. You know, I'm upload more content for you guys pretty soon. So I will catch y'all in the next video.